Hey guys, Dave Johnson with City Motors here. Here we have our 2012 Jeep Wrangler Sahara. Now this is the 2012, which means you're going to get the very impressive 3.6 liter engine. This is an upgrade from the previous 3.8 liter engine. This one's going to give you 80 more horsepower and it's going to give you 2 miles per gallon better fuel efficiency. This is the Sahara package, which is their top of the line. And of course it's the 4-door. Looking there, you get your premium alloy wheels. This one gets you the Sahara package is going to give you your body colored fender flares. This one does have the tow package. And of course with the 4 doors, one thing that's always impressed me is the amount of room that you get. That thing is huge. This one gives you your Infinity factory subwoofer. You have additional storage under the floor there. Those seats will fold down at a 60-40 split. And if you go to our website and look at the pictures, I've got a complete seat configuration pictorial laid out there. This one, of course, does have your hard top. It'll come off in 3 pieces. You get a T-top in the front that'll come off and stow in the back. And then it makes that back very light and easy to remove. Of course, with the Sahara, you're going to get your running boards. And again, looking in here, you can see you get your leather interior, which I absolutely love the tan leather interior. Previous owner did some hand grips there all the way around. Very tastefully done. Inside here, you're going to have, of course, all of your power options. And again, take a look at that leather interior. I'll tell you, the brown on this burgundy looks really good. Of course, you get the Jeep embroidery there. This one has your duplicate audio controls on the back of the steering wheel. You do have your cruise control. Of course, this one does have your Bluetooth compatibility to your premium audio system. This one does have the MyFile system, allowing you to store your music on its hard drive. You do get navigation, everything you could want there. Of course, again, you do have your power options. This one is the 6-speed, which is very hard to find. Of course, you get your oversized center console. This one does have your 150 watt power inverter with your 115 plug-in there. And of course you get your heated seats. Guys, the Sahara package is really, really sharp, and it is so hard to find these for under $25,000. Well, here it is. Very clean, all stock, ready to go. At City Motors, of course, we have a 6-month, 6,000-mile warranty on all of our vehicles. We have no processing fees. So call us or text us anytime at 540-433-7335. Don't miss this one, guys. It's very hard to find this 4-door Sahara for under $25,000. This is it. This is the one. Get down here. You're going to fall in love with it. Thanks for stopping by.